Thanks for joining us. I'm Ken Bunn, Technical Trainer with Core Security Systems. In this video, we'll walk through how to install the SONITROL Core Remote Sensor Device, or RSD, and connect it to the S1000 Controller using the RS485 communications bus. The SD1-2ADI-PCB Remote Sensor Device provides distributed sensing and input monitoring for the S1000 system. The RSD supports both analog and digital inputs, allowing integration with a range of sensors and inputs. It also includes onboard sensors for temperature and humidity, light detection, movement and vibration using an accelerometer. Each RSD provides two programmable inputs supporting analog or digital monitoring, one programmable output used as a relay output or analog output, and auxiliary power output for connected devices. The device communicates back to the S1000 using OSDP and can be installed up to approximately 1,000 meters from the S1000 controller. Up to 16 RSDs can be connected to a single S1000 controller. Before installation or service, fully power down the S1000 controller. Disconnect the battery backup, then disconnect it from the main power system supply. The RSD should always be installed with the system powered down. The RSD connects to the S1000 using OSDP communication on the RS485 bus. Required connections include 12 volts power, OSDPA or Data 45 plus, OSDPB or Data RS485 negative, and a ground connection. Maintain consistent polarity across the bus. Improper wiring or reverse data lines will prevent communication. Each RSD must have a unique address. The address is set using the onboard dip switches and should be done before applying power. Duplicate addresses will result in communication problems and device supervision issues. The RSD is installed inside its protective housing. Mount the enclosure in a location appropriate for the environment and sensing requirements. Ensure the housing is securely mounted, the wiring is properly routed, and the device is not exposed to conditions outside its rated environmental features. Proper placement is essentially important for accurate sensing of temperature, light, and movement. The RSD provides two programmable inputs. These inputs can be configured for digital devices such as contacts or alarm inputs, analog devices that provide variable signal levels. Correct configuration is required for proper operation. See the S1000 installation guide for wiring diagrams and jumper placement. The RSD also includes one programmable output. This can be used for triggering external devices, switching circuits, or providing control output based on system events. The relay can also be configured to output voltage if required. See the S1000 installation guide for wiring diagrams and jumper placement. An auxiliary output is available to support connected devices. Ensure connected devices do not exceed the available power capacity of 0.5 amps. After all wiring connections have been secured, reconnect the battery backup, then restore the main power supply. The S1000 will initialize and begin communicating with the RSD over the RS485 bus. The RSD includes LED indicators for status and troubleshooting. These indicators include System Status 1 LED. On indicates the device is online and connected to the S1000 controller. The communication LEDs indicate data is being sent and received over the RS-45 bus. No LED activity typically indicates a wiring or addressing issue. After power up, confirm the RSD is detected by the S1000. Verify communication over the OSDP RS485 bus. Confirm onboard sensor values are reporting, if applicable. Test at least one input. Do not rely on detection alone. Verify functionality. If the remote sensor device is not detected, check the OSDP data wiring, A and B. Verify polarity. Confirm ground connection. And verify the dip switch address setting is unique. Most issues are wiring or addressing related. If the device is detected, but data is incorrect or missing, verify input configuration and jumper placement. Check field wiring to input terminals. And confirm sensor placement is appropriate for the environment. Incorrect configuration or poor placement is the most common cause of bad readings. That's how to install the SONITROL Core remote sensor device and connect it to the S1000 controller using the OSDP RS45 bus. For detailed configuration, sensor calibrating, and system setup, refer to the S1000 and RSD installation documentation. Thanks for joining us. I'm Ken Bunn, Technical Trainer with Core Security Systems.
This has been another Core installation how-to video.